Hi everyone, my name is Rishit. Today is the 8th of December 2024. I'll be going over this week's results for the front testing of the predictions based on the option chain analysis for the S&P 500. Now I'll be covering, don't worry about this last date. This prediction was made on the 25th of November for the week ending the 29th. I didn't make a video about this last week, so I'll be covering it now. The prediction was that the S&P 500 goes up, which is true. It opened at 5,992.28 and went up to 6,032.38, which is a 40.1 point increase, a 0.67% increase to be specific, and bringing our cumulative P&L up to 2.82%. The SPX's weekly change was 1.06%, bringing its cumulative return to 15.88%. And our alpha went down more to minus 13.06%. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video.